Our hair is a crown of natural beauty. It is a manifestation of God's creativity. It is a symbol of love and care with which we were created. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Doris Kimuyu, and thank you so much that you have decided to watch the video. As you watch the video, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and also remember to share the video. And also remember to watch the video up to the end. Today, I want to show you the simplest routine that you can follow if you're on a hair growth journey. So, this routine, anyone can do it. It's not hard, it is very easy, and you can start practicing it right away. So, the first thing is your hair should be on a protective style. Then if your hair is on a protective style, look for a moisturizer. It can be some water, it can be your leave-in, or it can be your moisture product which you bought, or it can be your DIY product. Then have your oil, and then have your butter. With those in place, then the first thing is moisture your protective style. After you moisture your protective style, then follow up with your oil. Apply the oil on your scalp and also on your hair. Massage very well, gently. After you are done massaging, then now apply butter. Now for the butter, you can choose to only apply that butter to your ends, like the ends of your hair, to ensure that you are going to protect all that moisture. The butter will act as an occlusive. Occlusive provides a physical barrier to prevent moisture loss. So when you apply that butter to your ends, that butter is going to prevent moisture loss, and your hair will stay moisturized for the rest of the day. So this is something that you can do early in the morning before you leave to work to ensure that your hair will stay well moisturized. Remember, moisturized hair does not break much like dry hair. So that is a very easy routine that you can follow every day. So watch the rest of the video and see how I normally do it. I have moisturized my hair. Right now, I am applying the oil. I will apply this oil. Then I will take my time to massage my scalp gently. Then after I'm done massaging my scalp, I will take my butter and apply my butter on my hands. So if you don't want to apply the butter on your hands alone, you can as well apply the butter on your the rest of your hair and also maybe on your scalp. But in my case, I will only be applying the butter on my ends. So watch the video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and let's continue growing and learning together. So watch the rest of the video and see how I normally do it step by step. And that's all. I am done and my hair feels so moisturized. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch the video. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, and also remember to comment down there and tell me your daily routine.